Okay, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video. Today we're going over the drops of February. So this is going to be just a short list of a bunch of shoes that are coming out this February. So I'll make sure I'll pop some pictures up. I'll make sure I'll put the release dates and the prices and all that. So that'll be either on one of these sides. And yeah, we'll get straight into it. Just tell you guys a little bit about the shoes that are releasing this February. It's actually quite a bit because it just really is. January was kind of a slow month. So I'm excited that February actually does have quite a bit of drops, and quite a few of them seem very profitable. So we'll jump straight into it. And like I said, look forward to the video. I hope you guys like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Okay, so the first shoe we have is the Jordan 5 Aqua. It's this nice black and blue color. It drops February 4th at 7 a.m. Pacific time and 10 a.m. Eastern time, and it has a retail price of $200. I'm personally going to pass on it, but I do think it is a very nice shoe and could be worth adding to the collection. But for me, I'm just going to skip it. We'll get into the next shoe. Another shoe dropping February 4th at 7 a.m. Pacific time and 10 a.m. Eastern time is the Jordan 1 Low Union. They're dropping in two different colorways, which I personally prefer the one with the blue Nike swoosh, but they are dropping it in a white Nike swoosh as well. I'll put the pictures here. I'll show you guys both of them. This is actually something I am looking forward to. I do plan on actually buying either both of these or one of them. I am going to buy it, of course, so we just got to pray and hope for good luck. So, but yeah, since this is a collab shoe with Jordan and Union, the previous collabs have done really well, so I am looking forward to this one, and I hope that it does have a really good resale price. Resale currently is actually not too bad. I can't remember the last time I looked at it, but I think these have a retail of $150, and at the time I checked, resale was $200 to $250. So there is room for profit. So this is something that everybody should look forward to. I've gotten comments on the short video I posted with people calling it ugly, but in my opinion, I really don't care because I'm not wearing them. I'm buying to resell, so it doesn't matter to me. But yeah, so this one also drops February 4th, so be on the lookout. Okay, the next shoe that's drops February 7th, and it is a Dunk Low. It is this pink maroon color with cream as well. It's actually kind of nice. I think it looks really good. Dunks haven't really been doing as well recently, but that's okay. I think I'm still going to cop it because Nike has free returns, so it really is risk-free. So yeah, these drop February 7th, like I said, for $120 retail. It is a dunk, so I do think this is really worth the cop. Okay, the next shoe on our list is the Jordan 4 Oil Greens. I'll post a picture here. These ones are super nice. They drop February 9th at a retail price of $200. This is a women's Jordan 4, so sometimes I know for people who have bigger feet, sizing can be limited. So make sure you're just trying to check that. I haven't really checked resale prices either on these, so I really don't know what resale is, but I personally really enjoy this shoe and think it's a nice colorway, so I do think I am going to buy because I bought, so hopefully I can get multiple pairs. The next shoe on our list is another Jordan 4, but this one is the Jordan 4 Craft. It's dropping February 11th for $210. This one has actually quite a bit of hype built around it, so I do think resale will be nice, and the colorway is very clean and easy to match with, so I think this is going to be another big one on people's lists. I personally like it, and I do like that it drops kind of around Valentine's Day, so I do think this is really worth the cop, and I'm personally going to get it. Like I said, a lot of people have been posting about this one on Twitter, TikTok, and in Discord groups. I've seen like a lot of stuff about it. So yeah, I do think resale will really do well. I do think this will be a harder drop to get because it is a men's Jordan 4, so I know sometimes sizing can be, they might have not a lot of stock in that certain size you want. So yeah, just be on the lookout for these ones. I do think these would do really well. The next shoe on our list is another Dunk Low. This is the Valentine's Dunk Low, dropping February 14th at a retail of $110. Now this colorway is super smooth. It's just white and with little accents of yellow, and I think that is perfect, and I think it's a great shoe to drop on Valentine's Day. I do think it matches the vibe because I think the yellow is in the shape of a heart, so it's just something really cool, a small detail that they added. It is a plain white shoe, so you really can't go wrong. I personally really like it, and I think it'd be a great gift idea. And I do think since it is plain white with like the little accent, that it will do really well on resale, and the colorway is very plain, so it's easy to match, so I don't think people will have too much objection to buying it. This is another one that you really need to be on the lookout for, and another one that I think can do really well on the secondary markets. So just make sure you guys are on the watch for this one. Like I said, it releases February 14th, so actually on Valentine's Day. Another shoe on our list is the Air Jordan 1 High 85s, which is in the black and white colorway, similar to the Panda colorway. This drops at a retail of $200, and it drops February 15th at 7 a.m. Pacific time, 10 a.m. Eastern. This one I think is going to do really well since it is a very typical plain colorway, and it kind of looks similar to the Panda Dunks, which the Panda Dunks, as everyone knows, have done really well on resale, and they're very popular. You see them everywhere. I work at a mall and I see them constantly. So this is another shoe that I think can follow a similar trend since it is the same colors, but just a high shoe. And I know a lot of people don't like the Dunk highs, but this is a Jordan 1, so I do think this will perform very well in this plain colorway. I think resale right now is actually doing really well, and it's another one that I'm going to be trying to buy heavily because it is such a simple colorway, and buying from Nike has no risk. So this is just my thoughts on this shoe, but I personally do want this as a resale shoe, not for nothing personal. Okay, the next shoe on our list is the Jordan 1 High Women's that is dropping February 17th at a retail of $180. It drops in like this blue and yellow colorway similar to like the UCLA Dunks, which I think were really nice. I don't think resale will do really well on these just because the yellow and blue are kind of hard to match with. So I feel like a lot of people feel like they won't be able to really wear them. But if you do live in like bigger cities and bigger towns, heavily surrounded around sports, I do think this would be a really good colorway as it goes with certain people's jerseys. So like San Francisco, LA, those are just places I think personally would do really well for these shoes. Nike has no like risk for return policy, so you can return these at any time if you do want to just buy them and see if you can sell them locally. But I think these will be really good in like your local market. So this is just something to check out and keep on your watch list until release actually does happen. And rounding off the month, we have the Jordan 6 Wolf Gray colorway. This one drops February 25th at 7 a.m. Pacific time, 10 a.m. Eastern. Sorry, I keep messing that up. I think these shoes are really nice, and this is something to also be on the lookout for. Jordan 6s recently have been coming out with a lot of nice colorways. Resale locally is actually really good for these. Like a lot of times you can move these for anywhere from $50 to $100 profit. I had a lot of luck with the UNCs and the Carmines, so that's just some more ideas to keep you guys updated. I would keep these on the watch list and just look at StockX just to make sure you know what prices are if you do want to resell, or if you just want these for a personal. I think this is a really nice clean colorway. I personally will pass on the Jordan 6s. I really don't have too much luck selling them, and in my local area they don't sell well. So that's just what I'm going to do and my thoughts and ideas on this shoe dropping. Okay, so as of right now, that kind of rounds up the month of what's dropping, what's releasing. It seems like a lot of shoes are dropping, and they're all dropping like kind of close in proximity to each other. Like they're all dropping around the same time. So that's just something to be on the lookout for and keep you guys updated with. As of right now, this is all the shoes that are loaded onto sneakers. I don't know if you guys know, but recently they had a shock drop where they dropped some Travis Scotts, some Orange Lobsters, and a few other shoes, I think. And a lot of people got lucky with that. I didn't end up getting lucky. I ran into like a bunch of errors, so that was just something stupid. But yeah, as of right now, this is all that's loaded onto Nike sneakers. If more things come out, I will make sure to upload videos to keep you guys updated and make sure you guys know what else is dropping. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully sometime this month I will get to recording a bot video. I had a conversation with someone in one of the comments in my previous videos where he's saying he's just waiting for that bot video. So I will make it. I'll probably record one of these sessions of me actually botting, kind of do like a live cop video, just so you guys can kind of see what my morning is like, even though it's not that interesting. But yeah, like I said, make sure you guys stay tuned, like, subscribe, and I'll keep posting more videos.